Hello everyone, and welcome to a fun English time quiz. Can you tell the time in English? Let's find out. It's 28 to 9. It's 12 to midnight. It's 13 to 6. It's 5 past 6. It's 20 past 9. It's quarter to 2. It's quarter past 12. It's half past 4. It's 5 to 7. It's 10 past 9. It's quarter to 8. It's 25 past 10. It's 10 to 3. It's quarter past 10. It's 20 to 12. It's 5 past 7. It's half past 3. It's quarter to 1. It's 25 to 5. It's 25 past 5. It's 5 to 3. It's quarter past 8. It's 20 to 2. It's 10 to 4. It's 12 o'clock. Great job. You did really well today. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. What time of day do you feel the most productive? See you next time.